Welcome to our demo of the ESP32S2 with a PIR motion sensor. Today, we'll showcase a simple yet powerful offline motion detection system that operates on battery power. Here, we have our main components: the ESP32S2 board, a PIR motion sensor, a set of 6V dry cell batteries, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. Each of these parts plays a crucial role in our motion detection setup. Next, we'll power our setup using the 6V dry cell batteries. Now it's time to upload the code.
THCode initializes the PIR sensor and controls the LED based on motion detection. We'll monitor the output from the PIR sensor and turn on the LED when motion is detected. With everything set up, let's test the motion detection. I'll place the PIR sensor and hover my hand in succession, alternating between on and off. Now watch as I hover my hand in front of the sensor.
This triggers infrared emissions, initiating the switch connection, otherwise, the LED remains off. As I move my hand, you can see the LED light up, indicating that motion has been detected. The sensor is working perfectly. This demo of the ESP32S2 with a PIR motion sensor showcases a simple, battery-powered motion detection system that is both effective and versatile. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this demonstration. And see you in the next one.